Hi everyone. So today we'll be talking about sleep physiology. Okay, so let's start. Gamma waves. Now gamma waves are usually in problem solving and concentration, very high frequency. Next is your beta waves. Beta waves are produced basically when our eyes are open and we are awake. ठीक है? Alpha waves, again you are awake but your eyes are closed here, and this is during meditation and restful state. Theta waves is produced during N1 stage of sleep. We'll talk about it in detail later. And delta wave is produced again during sleep. D से delta, D से it is produced during deep sleep and during the N3 stage of NREM. Okay. Now from above to below, if we see, the frequency decreases and the amplitude धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है. So this is highest frequency, and then again see the frequency is decreasing. Now talking about different stages of sleep. Usually जो sleep होता है हम लोग का वो circulate करते रहता है between REM and REM. ठीक है? So let's say, okay, so we have 25%, 25%, 5% and 45%. ठीक है? पहले we are awake, eyes open, and then we go into sleep, starting with stage N1, N2, N3, and these are all your NREM, and then comes your REM sleep. ठीक है? So ना N1 sleep. See, N1 least duration के लिए होता है, only 5%, and यहाँ पे हम लोग को थीटा वेव्स मिलते हैं ब्रेन में, hypnic jerks, and it's a very very shallow sleep, very very easily arousable from N1 stage of NREM. Next comes your N2 stage. Now the N2 stage of sleep maximum duration का होता है N2 stage. यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिलते हैं, वेरी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर विच इज स्लीप स्पिंडल्स एंड के कॉम्प्लेक्स मिलता है, एंड अगेन मैक्सिमम ड्यूरेशन लाइक आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. ठीक है? ओके. अदर इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर इज यू हैव ब्रक्सिज्म विच इज योर टीथ ग्राइंडिंग एंड epilepsy. N3, referred to as restorative sleep. Here you have night terrors. You have bedwetting, sleepwalking, which is also somnambulism. ठीक है? And N3 is called deep sleep. With increasing age, the duration of your N3 decreases. In depression, what happens? Again, the N3 stage decreases, but the REM sleep time increases, and the REM latency, which is in depression. ठीक है? And here also REM sleep time also decreases. Let's go into REM, which is rapid eye movement sleep. Now this is full form, rapid eye movement sleep. So this is known as paradoxical sleeping because your eyes are moving. Your brain would be metabolically, हम लोग बहुत active होते हैं. Your heart rate would be increased, respiratory rate, sympathetic activity, everything would be increased. You will have nightmares. ठीक है, REM मेयर्स, और यहाँ पे नाइट टेरर्स था, ठीक। देन यू विल ऑल्सो हैव ड्रीम्स जो you will remember. All right, you will have muscle atonia, या फिर paralysis होती है, muscle paralysis. Exceptions to these are your eye muscles, because you are having ocular movements, your respiratory muscles like your diaphragm, and you will also have sexual dreams in REM sleep. There would be no night walking, bed wetting, nothing as such in REM sleep. Okay, and usually the entire sleep alternates between the REM and NREM after every 90 to 110 minutes. So you will have N1, N2, N3 REM, and then again back to this and this. So there is a complete cycle of sleep. Okay, in REM sleep cycle, you have your rapid eye movement in EOG, and muscle, we can see it's atonia. Yeah, muscle paralysis. This is NREM, where we have high amplitude and low frequency brain waves, like for example delta waves, high amplitude but low frequency, and when awake you have beta waves with very high frequency. In REM also we have beta waves with very high frequency. Okay, now this is straight from Harrison. Okay. Now what this says is you have a ascending arousal system. Now this is the ascending arousal system which keeps us awake, mediated by many chemicals like norepinephrine, dopamine, serotonin and histamine. ठीक है, उसके बाद you have orexin in the system. Now this orexin secretion in the hypothalamus which is also responsible for arousal. ठीक, एक hypothalamus में, also in hypothalamus you have a ventrolateral preoptic nucleus. Now this is one of the nucleus in the hypothalamus. The other nuclei of the hypothalamus, I have also made video about that, so go check that out. Now ventrolateral preoptic nucleus, it promotes sleeping, ठीक है, which is lost. It promotes sleeping and this is lost in old age. So therefore in older ages there is less tendency to sleep. So this was all about sleep physiology, and to know about the disorders of sleep, visit that video. The link is in the description. Thank you very much. I hope this helps.